Everybody's Gotta Live by Love, the band Love from the 60s. Shout out to Jack Milek for requesting this one. I hope I got your last name right. And then all of you, if you feel like you like what we're doing, please hit the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it. And leave a comment too. So this one this one's got some parts that are a little bit random, but I'm going to give you the feel for it. Almost has like a little bit of ragtime kind of feel. So you got a C, just a regular C chord, and you can hit like an E7, which looks like that, and then an A minor, and then he picks up this little A sus, and sometimes he goes like this with the A minor. He just lifts up his first finger and goes, and it's kind of a fun little romp. It's not a super structured song, so if you get the feel of just basically the whole song. It has a little part, I think it's like the first verse at the end where it says, she says, "You said if you're with me, I'll never go away." It feels like, and then it goes F, G, C, and that's the only time that happens, I believe. Let's look all the way down, but I think that we'll go along a little further. Now, this kind of song, just so you know, this is a song that is like kind of a folk song, ragtime kind of feel, where you can play with it and have fun with it. And that's why I give you a couple of moves here. You can go, he does that, and then he goes to the sus a little bit. So, feel free to just, get after it any way you can. Make sure you get that rhythm. If you're using a pick, it sounds a little, I'm going to do a little with a pick. You can do a finger style too, either or. But if you're using a pick, it would be, you want to get that lead note. So my target notes, as I like to call them, the C note. I get that. And then a low E. Feel that rhythm? So that's a fun little ditty from a great old band, Love. I remember those guys way back when, during the psychedelic era. And once again, please subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment. If you got any requests, send them to me, and I'll try and honor that request as soon as possible. Thanks a lot.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.